Welcome to another YourTechReport video. Today, I'm going to have a little bit of assistance, and we're going to go hands-on and unbox some really cool stuff from Belkin for the Switch 2. So, enlisting some gaming support, I kind of bring somebody else in on this. Zachary, join the conversation, please. Welcome to the show. Thank you for being here. Come closer. You can talk. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so we've got some cool stuff from Belkin here because the Switch 2 came out a couple weeks ago, and they've sent us some of their new gaming lineup of stuff. So we've got here a charging case, the gaming charging case. Very cool. So it actually has a 10,000 milliamp battery in it, power bank built in, actual storage for games as well. It comes with a power brick that's rechargeable. Very, very cool stuff. There's even a spot for an AirTag. Look at that. There's a spot for an AirTag on there. We've got a gaming travel case, so this is good when you're on the road. I'm gonna have fun with that. And two different variations of their screen protectors. We've got the crystal tempered glass anti-reflective screen protector. That's great for outdoors and places where things are reflecting on it. And then here's a blue light screen protector. That's a blue light filter, which is good for when you're gaming several hours at a time, perhaps.
Yeah.
And you don't want to hurt your brain.
Yeah.
Okay. Obviously, we've also got a Switch 2 here. Mine, of course, right?
No.
Oh, okay. What do you want to start with?
Let's do the biggest box first.
Of course, size matters, right?
Depends.
Okay, fine. So this is the... Open it up. This is
Belkin
the charging case.
Yeah, this is also pretty good for travel if you need a power bank, or let's say you're going on a plane.
Yes, and you want to keep it charged. What's the battery life on the Switch 2 in general?
It depends, because depending on the game you're playing, depending on whether it has Switch 2 upgrade, it can last from 2 to 6 hours.
Okay, so nice, fabric design. You've got a handle on it. You've got the Belkin branding on the front. Thank you, Belkin. Inside, let's take a look at what's inside. Well, that was the manual. You've got an actual 20-watt battery charging brick with USB-C cable attached. Check it out. Pretty neat, right?
Yeah.
Case itself molded, of course, for the Switch 2. With a little bit of a strap here to keep it in. So let me try dropping her in here. Perfect fit. Fits like a glove. And then, of course, I guess that's not for the actual Switch staying in the case. That's probably for the cables and stuff underneath.
No, you just, yeah.
Oh, so we take the power brick, I'm guessing, and the power brick goes
there.
Inside. You strap it in, and then when the Switch 2 is actually... boom, over here, you can actually plug it in and it charges the Switch. So it's not the case itself that charges, it's the fact that it comes with the power brick that is charged that will keep charging going, which is pretty cool. Flap down, and we've got storage for games. Does anybody actually use games anymore? Physical games?
Yes, because now licenses can be revoked for games, so people prefer to buy physical games if they don't have a key on them.
Okay.
So they can just have the game and own the actual game, not a license.
Come closer, stay here. And inside we've got a little area here for storage as well, so you can keep accessories there, you can keep other games there if you have more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 games. I guess some people do. Very cool. I love that it's injection molded, so you can literally just kind of bring it anywhere. And it's fairly compact. You can slide that into a laptop bag. Pretty simple. Now, if you don't want the charging capabilities and you just want to travel with it, you can use the travel case. Sorry, guys. So, similar design in terms of the charging case. You've got an adjustable strap here, so you can actually pull the strap off and use it as a handle if you wanted to. And when we crack this open, I'm going to guess we're going to have a very similar experience to the other one. You've got gaming storage, you've got accessory storage, and a way more compact design for the Switch 2. So it goes right in the case. Obviously, it's got the divots for the control pads, and boom. The cool thing is the game storage here, it just covers and protects the screen at the same time. It's not hitting the Joy-Cons or anything, so it's not affecting any of that. And when you zip it closed, pretty impressive design, no? I like it. Rugged, simple, easy.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Screen protectors. We can unbox these. I mean, I think you know what a screen protector does here, but obviously we said two versions of the screen protector. This one over here is the tempered glass anti-reflective screen protector. I love on the back of the box, they actually show you the difference with it on and off. You can see, obviously, it gets rid of any reflections going on. So if you're outdoors or if you're in a heavily lit environment, Belkin is known, I mean, if you go to an Apple store, you can get a custom screen protector for your Apple device, and they have a great not only accessibility in terms of, the amount of different cases that are out there, but their application model is pretty neat. And this has instructions right in here with the different numbered approach on the actual screen protector. So it shows you exactly how to do it. You can see that's numbered 1 over there, and you see the various steps. It has an alignment plastic piece here. So basically you align this on the switch like this, so that when you place it down, I'm gonna guess you probably do it like that.
Or no, you take the Joy-Cons off.
Oh, you took the Joy-Cons off and you do it. Oh, you're so smart. Wow, this is why you bring in the experts. Joy-Cons off, it sits right on top of the actual switch, and you get it perfectly aligned because it's got the cutout for it. And then you place it on, you wrap out the bubbles, etc., etc. And of course, it's gonna be the exact same thing for the tempered glass blue light filter. It'd be cool. I wonder if you can, layer these on top so you get the anti-reflective and the blue light filter.
It would make the screen too thick, and it would probably make it so it wouldn't be as clear.
So choose the one you want. Obviously, no privacy version of this. I love the privacy screen protector from Belkin on my iPhone, but I guess we don't care if people are watching the gaming stuff that we're doing. Anyhow, which one are you going to start using?
Probably the travel case.
Okay, awesome.
More likely.
So check it out from Belkin. You got the travel case, you got the charging case, you got the different screen protectors. I'll put the links down in the description below. And let us know if there's something else you want us to talk about. Don't forget that subscribe button and that like button so we can do more of these for you. And we do these unboxings so that Zach can now steal all this stuff and run away with it, right?
Yep.
Thanks for watching.